12th report is profit and loss, actual 1 to 12, budget 1 to 12, actual year to date and budget year to date. This will display actual versus budget balances by account class for 12 periods of the selected financial year and year to date and budget year to date. Click on report, select company, select financial year, select budget code. You can hide 0 rows, show account details and show subtotals at bottom. Click Run. You can view profit and loss, actual 1 to 12, budget 1 to 12 and actual year to date, budget year to date.